Hi, I'm Laura, and we are in Hoschton, Georgia. Oh my goodness, let's see. First thing was we had a couple of walls where there didn't need to be walls. We needed a better flow throughout our house. So we had a lot of issues going on within our house. We had some that were just the flow of the house didn't work for our family. And then other things were just projects that I needed done to make it feel like a home. When we bought the house, it was a house. And Homestead Industries has come in and oh my gosh, they have completely changed the house. It is a home now. It very much, the house was it wasn't home. It didn't have that feel of like somebody really cared about it, you know, somebody's put love into it and really done a lot. And I would like see things that I wanted to do, and Tommy could come in and I could say, okay, this is kind of what I'm seeing, what do you think? And he would make it happen. It has been an absolute delight. We have been using you guys for a long time now. You guys have done everything within this house. You guys are the only ones that we've used. Oh goodness, the flow of this house is amazing. We have a large family, and so we needed the kitchen to flow better. So we knocked out some walls so that we could enlarge the kitchen. He's finished off a couple of rooms for us that are now usable, whereas before they were just kind of unusable. It was an unusable space, and he has definitely come in and made it usable space. Like for instance, right beside my laundry room, I have this, it was just an empty space, and we created a whole pantry. So now I have a very large pantry for the house, which has helped immensely for our size family. Relieved that the job is done, relieved that it's done well. You know, I know that it's not something that I'm going to have to go and make repairs on. Like, it was done right the first time, you know, and I don't have any questions about that. So everything is well done, well built. He's very educated, very knowledgeable about what he's doing. For instance, when I wanted to take out a wall, he knew we needed to put a beam in so that the house didn't fall, you know. So I mean, it's just stuff like that. I could say, okay, this is what I need done, and he knows how to make it happen the right way. So you guys have put headers over the front doors and the windows in the house. I've had a mantle built by you guys. The ceiling in the kitchen has been done by Homestead Industries. The wall from the kitchen to the sitting area has been removed. I have had the laundry room completely remodeled, the kitchen completely remodeled, a pantry built, a room addition, a bathroom remodel. I think that's pretty close.